Let's do a quick roll call of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings. We're leaving these babies whole. We have some cornstarch here, 1 egg, some baking powder, rice wine vinegar, oyster sauce, sesame oil, fish sauce, soy sauce, sugar, bouillon cube, white pepper and garlic powder in this dish, and we have some Sazon. So this all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, we're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken. We're gonna add our chicken bouillon here, our garlic powder and white pepper, our sugar, and our Sazon. And we're just gonna give this a good mix here. Just like that. All right, so to continue, we're gonna add our soy sauce here, our sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, oyster sauce, fish sauce, our egg, baking powder, and a tablespoon and a half of our cornstarch. And all we're gonna do is get this baby mixed up real good. Make sure you get the wings coated really, really well. All right, just like that, guys. So next what you wanna do is cover it up, place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours to marinate, or overnight. For best results, overnight. Let these babies sit overnight, all right? That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna see you guys in 24 hours. All right, guys, it's been 24 hours. We've been letting these babies marinate, so it's time to continue the recipe. So the next thing we're gonna do, I'm thinking this bowl will work. Maybe not, maybe we'll have to get another one, but we're gonna change bowls. We're gonna shake off the excess. We'll take these wings out of our marinade. We're gonna put them in another bowl, just like that. This may work. I think it will. We'll add them there like that. Now, we're gonna take that leftover cornstarch and we're gonna add it to these wings like this. And that helps these babies get extra crispy like we like it. We're just gonna go in with our hands and get it all mixed in. Now guys, remember, this is not like flour. You're not looking for it to be coated in cornstarch like flour. So it's gonna create this like thin layer of milky substance on the wings, kind of like that. Now we're gonna head over to our stove, get our oil heated up, so get these babies in there. So now we're at our stove. We're gonna heat up our oil to 350 degrees before we start adding our chicken. All right, so now our oil has reached 350 degrees. We're gonna start adding our chicken pieces. Now you may have to cook these babies in batches. I have 8, so I'm gonna cook mine in batches, maybe 4 at a time. You wanna make sure that heat stays up. The temperature, you know, when you add these wings in here, sometimes the temperature, well, not sometimes, it always drops. And we're gonna cook these for 6 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown. You don't want them to be fully cooked, just golden brown. So at 6 minutes, if they're golden brown, go ahead and take them out. If it takes you to about 8, 10 minutes, then 8 to 10 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so we're about 8 minutes in. Take a look. This is what we want. We're gonna add these to a warming rack. We're gonna let them rest because this is a 2-fry recipe. So I'm gonna sit them there. We're gonna bring our oil back up the temperature to 350 before we start cooking the remaining of our wings. All right, guys, so we're going to remove our second batch. Looks like we're good. We're gonna sit them over on this resting rack like we have the other ones. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to increase our temperature to 375 degrees, and then we're gonna do a double fry. We're gonna put them back in there for an additional 2 to 4 minutes until they're extra crispy, all right? All right, so now our oil is back up to temperature. We're gonna drop our chicken wings back in here. And this is our first batch that we had. And we're gonna fry these babies for another about 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good, man. Take a look at that baby right there. Man, that is crispy right there. We're gonna go ahead and get these removed, put them here on a resting rack. And we got 3 more to do. We're gonna come back. Let's get that oil back up to temperature. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good, man. Take a look at that right there. Man, that looks so good. We're gonna sit these babies on a resting rack. That's all we have right now. All right, head over to our cutting board, take a look, get into the final presentation. All right, guys, so this is what we have. Man, take a look at this. Man, that is absolutely beautiful, man. Beautiful. There you have it. Chinese takeout chicken wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. We gotta do this. We gotta get these babies a taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time. We're gonna bring our chicken wing to the front of the congregation. Look at these Chinese takeout chicken wings. Man, these babies are absolutely crispy. Oh man, let's go ahead and test one out. Man, I'm gonna be honest with you. I already tried one. I thought I was recording quality control, and man, I wasn't even recording. So this is gonna be my second time. I'm still gonna give you a real action. You hear the crunch? Oh man. Trying to just flat now. Oh man. God, I'm glad I messed up in quality control. Only thing I need to do, dump me a little hot sauce on that. I'm good to go. So guys, if you like me and you're a fan of Chinese takeout chicken wings, this recipe. So, to the end guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.